Hi, I'm Kadeen Corbin,
Hi, I'm Sasha Corbin
and we both play for the England Roses.
and Saracens Mavericks. So we're going to talk to you a little bit about achieving your goals and dreams. I think the first thing is find something that you absolutely love doing, your passion. Give it 100%. If you really want something, you will take it to that next level naturally anyway. But find that kind of fire in your belly. What's that one thing that you really want to achieve? Set your little targets, set yourself goals, and go out and get it.
But also make sure you have fun with it because you always want to enjoy what you do. As you know, we play netball and we absolutely love what we do. We train full time, and any dream that you have is not too big. So just dream as much as you can, push as much as you can, and take every opportunity when it comes.